Hi guys! Welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making homemade buttermilk. Make some room. Pour out of the milk container approximately 2/3 of a cup. Add half cup of sour cream, close the cap and turn milk container upside down a couple of times, but don't shake. Open the cap and leave it at the room temperature for a day. After 24 hours, close the cap and turn it upside down a couple of times, but don't shake. Open the milk container and leave it for another day. Finally, after 36 to 48 hours, shake it well before using. Done! You made healthy and delicious drink. Enjoy it! Homemade buttermilk is the core ingredient for making many delicious and healthy dishes, including cakes, pancakes, dough, cottage cheese, and many more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of the healthy and delicious recipes made from buttermilk.